We're the Squatch Watchers. We do Bigfoot and ghost paranormal activity investigations. Our team consists of Tate Fulbright from Hickory, North Carolina, David Martin from Taylorsville, North Carolina, and myself, Taylor Cook, from Hickory, North Carolina. Together, we'll bring you evidence and we'll find out, do these creatures really exist?
Did you hear that?
Mm-hmm.
Plant your feet. It's behind us. It's a little hobbit hole right there. David, keep your light on it. Sorry.
Yeah, thank you.
Been traveled too.
Yeah, I mean, clearly they can hide over here and watch us and throw stuff from this side of the river to us and keep us moving all kinds of crazy.
You see that where your flashlight is over there?
Okay, so.
Right back here.
We're surrounded.
You hear that?
Was we filming on that?
Yes. Well, if I had a clear shot, I could see something. All I'm picking up is the limbs. It's blurring everything out. Oh, see, now we're where I want to be. This is the old one right here. See, this is where all the floods ruined everything.
Oh. Good God.
Yep.
Hey, ain't that where,
Yep, see, there's Rex. There's the steeples.
oh, we're on down.
See, we're just now getting into the main hunt site. The creek. He always travels the creek. Movie scared me to death when I was little.
What?
The Boggy Creek. It's the reason I'm in the Bigfoot period. Did y'all hear that?
What? All I heard was Taylor peeing.
Well, I mean, I don't know if it was Taylor I heard, but man, it's just a thick veil of spooky down here tonight. See, I hear it behind to our right, that noise.
Yeah. I just don't see how something can throw or stomp and get away so quick.
Well,
Or it's got one heck of an arm.
that's why we're kind of got our foot in two thresholds, two worlds. You know,
Yeah.
crypto and paranormal go hand in hand for a reason. I don't have the answers, but
Yeah. Well, if you think about it, steeple's right there, so right there in this area straight in front of us is where it scaled the tree
yep,
and broke the branch off and about killed us.
And right here is when years and years ago, remember Patricia was with us on
Yep.
the golf cart and the thing stomped through the water?
yep.
Whenever
Oh yeah,
It stomped right over to here.
yeah. I mean, it walked.
Scaled the Henry River.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ah,
Jump-
Splash, splash,
She
splash, splash.
She flipped out.